When it comes to putting on a good party, no one does it better than the city of El Centro, and this year's El Grito event was no exception.
¡Viva México!
Viva Mexico!
Congratulations, I'm happy for the independence and for everybody here.
It's been wonderful. People are just really following the culture and like all this food, and it's just really great. The music, the performance, everything's pretty good.
I've seen a guy singing, he did really good, and I've just seen a lot of lights, and it's really fun, it's different.
This is just a good way for us to celebrate Mexican Independence Day. So far, people have been coming out. We have a great attendance, and everyone seems to be enjoying themselves.
The weather is turning a little bit better, and we're just very happy. The turnout is great, the music is great, the food is great. If you couldn't make it this year, I hope that you can make it next year.
Es un evento ante una comunidad latina mayoritaria, cerca del 70% en el Valle Imperial es latino. Entonces es recordarles a ellos las raíces.
¡Viva Aldama y Matamoros! ¡Viva nuestra enseña nacional! ¡Viva! ¡Que viva México! ¡Viva! ¡Que viva México! ¡Viva! ¡Que viva México!